guys, earning stably is good, but earning stably fast and a lot is way better. And today I'll give you such opportunity. Ready? We're getting started. Hello, my dear friends. I'm sure you've missed some fast and turbo trading, quick money making, and today I'll show you a turbo strategy with the help of which just in 5 minutes you can earn 50 or even 100% of deposit, yes, and we obviously use some small expiration time. Today it's not more than 30 seconds, but I'll show you the simple strategy which is perfectly working in this format of trading. Be sure to watch this video till the end. There's gonna be a lot of very essential details which will help you to increase win rate of your deals. So let's move to analytics. Today we need only two tools, though they are horizontal level of support and horizontal level of resistance. We don't need more than that, and we take Japanese candles as a basis of analysis of 30 seconds time frame or 15 seconds time frame. It means each candle is being formed for either 30 or 15 seconds. We'll see how the 30 seconds candle will be closed. If it's closed not high, at least on this level it is right now, we'll open a deal with lower. As the market will likely get a reaction from this zone. So we went a little higher than this zone and now we're ready to start a decrease, just like it used to be recently. So it may be a decrease like that or any other which we went from this zone. What's important for us is a reaction, as the deals are quick ones, they last for 30 seconds and we don't need to wait for a full reverse. We entered quickly near some essential level, got a reaction of the market and earned. Just like I demonstrated on the first deal, we'll use it to guide and trade for the whole video. You know, we need to open literally 4 or 5 profitable deals and our goal is accomplished at this point. So guys, there's a level of resistance right here, but see it's pretty good. Let's open a deal and I hope we'll get a reaction and the candle will leave such a big shadow. We already went beyond the area of resistance here, but it is possible there was a false breakthrough, even though the candle was formed with a full body and it's obviously a breakthrough. Well, at least we'll get a reaction as the deal is a quick one and we only need the price to retrace a little till this range, right here. And here we can open a deal with higher, for example. We open a deal with higher. Usually these are rising structures of the market, so it's moving in such a wave-shaped movements and it's present at some level of resistance. At first we break it through, then test it, and then we keep our upward movement. There is a high chance something like that can happen in this case. Unfortunately, the deal is closed at a loss and it was very close though, so we opened 2 more deals with higher and hope the market will continue an uptrend. So guys, we worked this case out fully and we earned here. There's no more entry points, so we move to the next deal. We'll be looking for some levels that the price can potentially be reversed from. So guys, we wait for this 30 seconds candles closure and open a deal with lower. There's the nearest level, which can serve as a resistance, as in a previous range several minutes ago the price got a reaction. So it's possible that we can get a reaction from this level now. Okay, easy guys, easy case. Well, in short-term deals, we guidance the nearest levels only, obviously. We don't watch the history, we don't check what happened several hours ago. Well, there can be a level as well, but there is no guarantee that right here and right now we can get a reaction from it. So the main rule you should follow: watch the histories that used to be actual recently. Only this way we can get a qualitative entry point which will bring us a result. So guys, let's guide on the last zone of resistance, which is a support right now. This area is pretty wide and we both got a reaction from this zone recently and pretty long time ago. Even though the entry wasn't the best, I was expecting the market to show a reaction so we can earn literally 5 seconds left, but we see the market seems to roll back, and $89 of net profit is what we earn from this deal. So guys, let's discuss the last scalp case. There's a rapid growth. Well, we're taking risks opening a deal against such a strong downtrend, but here we see some pretty strong zone of interest as there were strong shadows on these candles, and as a rule when we see big shadows, this area seems to be interesting to some buyer as for this case. So likely opening a deal in this area is not a mistake. Even if it's closed at a loss, we did nothing bad, you know. But as it's closed in a profit, the strategy is confirmed to be suitable for today's market. And you know what? Use fast deals only in the case that you don't have a lot of time for trading. This is a pretty good strategy, which has been working good a lot. So on today's trading session in my Telegram channel, I'll be using long deals from 15 minutes and more, so each of you have a chance to enter the market together with me and get a pleasant bonus, a profit for today's trading session. So if you want to copy my signals, follow the link in the description, and I don't say goodbye for long because we'll meet really soon in my next video.